Alrighty, we're going down here to County Line today. Gonna go out here and hang out with Josh Bach, Hunter Holt, Finn Castine. Who else might be there? Who knows? Right now we're on 211, which feels like the longest road in America. Anyone that knows County Line can attest to 211 from US 17 feels like eternity. Never gets faster.
Shit. I hate that about these.
What?
These little things that like.
Oh yeah.
I guess when you wear it the other way, it doesn't bother you.
No, it doesn't because it's
underneath.
yeah.
Look at that.
I always do everything
Set up.
backwards. Oh yeah, we filming.
How's your eyesight?
Mine?
Yeah, you don't even see it.
My eyesight's great.
Mine's horrible.
I can't see anything.
I can't see from over.
Alright, where's Todd?
What?
Where's Todd at?
He's grooming something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's making it happen.
Making magic.
Alright. We'll find him. Warm this thing up.
We are warming up. Whoa.
That's what he did.
On number 11. Who's it gonna be? Number 57 on a Yamaha. I see you out here. He's cooking today. Got some two-stroke action. A little battle going on. Finn Castine. Okay. Ooh, quad. Here we go. Man, I wish I could ride today. Track could not be in any better condition, like always. County Line MX, Bolton, North Carolina. This is where you want to be. Uh-oh. We're rocking the one-handed, you know. Just dropped my drink. It's gonna be a good day. Finn Castine. Okay. Feeling a little frosty today, throwing a whip. Wearing some Tech 10s today. Hunter's running a hot lap right now. He hasn't let off the gas at all. Oh, in that corner, grabbed his foot. Let's see, he's gonna stand. Okay, stand to the corner again. Missed the pond. He didn't have much. We got Finch in the lead of Hunter Holt down straightaway. Let's see, who's gonna have to run? Still got Finn. Hunter's making a push again on his 250. Oh, he's just pushing him. He's not trying to pass him. Finn Castoon 2024. Keep an eye out. Dang! Ooh, Hunter Holt took the lead. He's gonna give it back. And I thought he was trying to play a Jet Lawrence back. This guy's got some bike control, I'd say. Let's see what he can do here. Put on a show for us. Hey Finn, how much you think you're worth?
Don't make me mess up this.
I'm saying $10 a tank.
10 bucks.
down with an arm sling. Tore my labrum, here comes fake ass scenes, throwing a whip real quick, we'll see what he's walking on the backside of county line. Well, like I said, we got the kids and my wife back at the house. She let me sneak away today, come and try to hang out with some of the guys out here. Low cross communities, in my opinion, one of the nicest communities there is out here. No better way to get your mind sweeper jump, maybe get up on top of the podium, see if we can get some nice whips, maybe some nice scrubs, you never know. I will tell you though, having this torn shoulder is a real big bummer. It's really putting a damper on our weekends. But wish I could make this work. Come out here at least just to hang out a little bit. See, I think we're at 3 weeks right now. Oh no, 2 weeks on Monday of recovery time. Went to the hospital yesterday because I thought one of my stitches busted open, but we're all good, he said. But he did say that my stitches aren't healing better than he seen. Got the mobility, stretches already done. I do take my arm out the sling. Whenever I'm just kind of hanging around the house, or whenever I'm out and about, I definitely put it on. Don't want to accidentally go to reach for something and tear all the work that's been done. Here we got a fin hunted another battle. See if I can get up here on top of this finish line pretty quick. See if I
We still got a battle in our hands. We're about to go into some lap traffic with Finn and Hunter. Ooh, Hunter's dabbing his foot. Inside line.
Yeah.
Since when did we get those kind of skills, man?
Dude.
Downloaded last night.
Yeah, downloaded them last night onto my bike. My bike just does all the work
New
for me.
season upgrade.
Got the new
Fucking
codes,
yeah.
yeah.
What time did it launch? 10 p.m. I missed that download.
Yeah.
How you feeling out there? You look like
Man,
got
we
some
gotta
loose.
get you over to that one turn.
That one turn.
Yeah, that one turn. After the straightaway into that tight 180.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good one.
Yeah, get over.
Yeah.
It's starting to get crazy.
You guys got the cheater line, or are you
No,
going from,
there's an actual like that second line out's really good.
yeah. Go outside to inside?
No, just outside.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, the one before the finish line kind of got blown out. It's
Yeah.
like
Man, I like the drip, man. You're leaning into the hill, man. See this? You're leaning. This
I
man,
got faith in these tires, man.
Dunlop, man.
The Dunlop.
Hit us up with that
The Dunlop
sponsorship.
Pirelli mix-up.
Here we go. Let's see what he's gonna
We're
get.
gonna keep
us.
up with him.
Let's do it. Get it. Here's some Finn.
We're gonna fall over. Because why? Say, we're not going fast enough. You understand what I'm saying? That makes sense though, right? If I'm pedaling along and then all of a sudden I stop pedaling and eventually I'm gonna slow down, right? So if we slow down and we don't take our feet off, we're gonna fall over. Here, hold the bike. So look, I want you to be confident and I want you to commit. So when you're coming in, you're carrying good speed, and then you start doubting yourself right here. You're like, I don't know about this. This rut looks kind of nasty. So then what do? We slow down, right? And then by the time we got here, you were going so slow that all your momentum was gone, and then you just fell over. Okay? So listen, what's going to save us? Our gas. I didn't say speed up, okay? But hold what you got. When you're coming in, keep that momentum. And then right when you start to feel like we're gonna fall over, what are we supposed to do? When in doubt, we're supposed to do what? Gas it out. And then my eyes are gonna be down the track, so I'm gassing it out and looking down the track, and away we go, okay? So where we get kind of nervous and we wanna come out of the gas, just hold what you got, okay? Great, hey, good job, dude. Let me see you do it again.
Nice. Let's get it, guys. We gotta wrap it up. Todd's letting me borrow the old trusty Can-Am. Thank you, Todd. I heard a broken wing, and he saw me walking and offered up the Can-Am. Very nice of him. Thank you very much. Like it. Let's see where we at. Here we go. The man himself, Hunter Holt. Alrighty, that's a wrap for the day. Getting out of here, going home. Hunter
Got the
Holt
nice
taking off, getting out of here. Peace out, man.
Peace.
Good riding.
Yeah, got a diesel here.
Oh, you want to see if it's durable? All right, let's do it. Yeah, we'll see if it fits under the tire.
Alright, guys, we're gonna see how if he floors on the way out. So,
Nah, he ain't going to.
you wanna bet?
That's it.
He just did the.
That's a wrap.
Wait.